This Century 21 The Real Estate Center property video is presented by Gary Hoffer. All brick end unit offers 3 levels of living space. Detached garage and rear and covered front porch. This home was renovated and he-passed to include windows, central AC and more. Open floor plan on main level. Kitchen leads to back porch. Upper level has 3 bedrooms and full bath. Lower level is finished and features family room, bonus room, full bath and laundry area. Walkout stairs to rear yard. Close to schools and shopping. Easy access to downtown, 95 and tunnel. Agents, please see agent remarks and documents uploaded on this listing for contract details. For more information, review the details below.